At $900 per ticket, there's no canceling Joe Rogan's comedy mothership shows. Some tickets to Joe Rogan's new Austin-based comedy club are going for nearly $1,000 on the resale market. Woof. That is a big ticket, sir. You have limited space. You designed the optimal comedy club. And you bring, like, through your relationships, you bring in high-profile people for sure. That normally you would spend a lot to see. And this is how things go. This is how you get your markups. And then I feel like just with the audience and the podcast and everything else and the opening of an entirely new venue and the hype around the city of Austin in general, you can easily figure out how you can get $1,000 ticket or close to it, right?
And I guess at this point it's South by Southwest, right? It's still going on.
Is that right now?
I believe so.
Oh, well, if that's the case, then it's super obvious how you're looking for something
maybe
to do.
Maybe an upcharge there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big time upcharge for sure. Are they, if you go back here, are they asking people on the street what's going on? Can we get a piece of that, or is that Copyright Fest?
It's probably Copyright.
Fest? Copyright Fest, though? That's what I want to know. I only want to know if it's a fest.
Cluster.
Oh, it's a cluster. Okay. Yeah. As long as it's not a mega cluster.
Okay. Well, I can't play it because it's...
Oh, boy. Look at this. What do we get?
What is this?
Weird ads, dude. You can skip. Cool. Tickets to see Rogan are selling from $500 to upwards of $900. Just there we go. That's all I wanted to interview.
It kind of shows the climate. People are against the kind of woke culture that's going on.
Oh, there you go.
Everyone is stoked. They are ready to be done with cancel culture.
Like I said, everybody wants to be there. It's a huge deal. It's blown up online. I've kind of been following it.
Obviously, there's a demand for it, so it's good to see.
I think it really just speaks to the demand. People are hungry for something like this. People are excited Joe's here.
You probably can't cancel it if people are paying that much money to get into it. Like, people are willing to go and see him, so I don't think there's going to be a lot of canceling. There shouldn't be.
Why are they so focused on the canceling? They love.
They're very optimistic.
They love, but the topic of it's still a comedy club, right? Like, I guess this is Fox, and they're trying to just make it as political as possible. It's a comedy club still. It's still Rogan. It's still whoever else he's inviting. It's not just I'm going there because they can't cancel it. Like, I hope you're having a good time.
Yeah. The main part is having a good time.
It's like, hey, what'd you think of the show? They're like, they can't cancel it.
Yeah, as long as they don't get canceled.
Okay, all right.
It's like, whoa. Did you have a drink there?
That's so. I'm not blaming the people who were asked, because I know they were probably asked pointed questions. They're like, hey, I heard this is the anti-cancel comedy club. Yeah. What do you think about that? And then they're like, oh, well, yeah, I guess they can't, whatever. So
we got the clip and then move on.
Yeah, they probably directed it in that way, but yeah, of course, you're definitely not going to cancel the comedy club. The comedy club's going to do just fine, and it's going to be a hot ticket. That's the bottom line. I'm not surprised at all.